In this video, I'll show you how 3 regular people used AI and just a laptop to build 7-figure businesses, including one that was initially built from just $50. Then we'll break down exactly how they built these businesses, how they're making money right now, and most importantly, how you can start your own AI business in 2025. And if you want to join the new rich and grow your own $1 million business, check the link in the description. Let's dive into our first business. It's called Dovely. It's an AI-powered credit repair platform that helps people fix their credit scores automatically. Here's exactly how simple it is. When someone has bad credit, they upload their credit report to the platform. Then the AI scans through the entire report, looking for mistakes and wrong information. When it finds errors, it automatically sends a dispute letter to credit bureaus like TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian to get them fixed. Think of it like having a robot credit expert working on your report 24 hours a day. Dovely offers a free version for newbies to try out on their platform. Here you can dispute only 1 error per month with TransUnion, but the real magic happens with their paid plans, which are $39.99 a month and $99.99 for the whole year. With the paid version, you can dispute unlimited errors with all 3 credit bureaus. An interesting stat about Dovely is the fact that 92% of their customers see their credit score jump by 54 points in less than 6 months. This simple idea now makes $4.2 million every single year. What's really cool is that they're solving a huge problem. Over 10 million Americans have serious errors on their credit reports that stop them from getting loans or make them pay higher interest rates. One of their customers even went from a credit score of 562 to 782 just by using the app to fix wrong information on their report. This shows you don't need some complicated business idea, just find a common problem and use AI to make solving it easier and cheaper for normal people. Next up is Afor AI, an AI research assistant that started as a simple college project and now makes $700,000 a year. Here's the cool thing about a business. It solves a problem every student has faced, having to read through tons of research papers and documents. The way it works is super simple. You upload any document, website, or research paper to the platform. Then the AI reads everything and can answer any question about the content. What's really interesting is it works in over 100 languages, and you can upload an Italian document and get answers in Japanese if you want it. They have 3 different ways the AI can work: fast mode for quick lookups, powerful mode for deep research, and Google mode that searches the internet for extra information. They sell lifetime access instead of monthly subscriptions. Their prices start at $69 for basic features and go up to $199 for more advanced stuff, and then $459 for the full package. They build the whole thing for just $50 to enter a college competition. Now they're aiming to make over $1.5 million in 2025. They didn't even win the college competition that they originally built the tool for, but instead of giving up, they turned it into a real business. This shows you don't need to be a tech genius or have lots of money. These guys built this while they were still in college using basic AI tools that anyone can access. Our third company is Blend Now, an AI-powered tool that creates professional product photos for e-commerce sellers. The idea came from a simple problem. Most online sellers struggle to take good photos of their products. So here's how it works. You take a basic photo of your product with your phone, upload it to their app, and the AI automatically removes the background and makes it look professional. It can create different versions of the same photo for different platforms like Amazon, Instagram, or Facebook. They have a free version so that anyone can try it out, and their pro plan costs $49 per month and gives you more features and better quality photos. Their ultimate plan is $199 per month for sellers who need to process lots of different photos, now making $100,000 every month in recurring revenue. What's cool though is how they got their first customers. They just messaged people in Facebook and WhatsApp groups about the app. Then they spent from $50 to $500 on small influencers to show how the app works. This simple marketing strategy helped them become one of the top 3 design apps in Southeast Asia. They spent their first month just getting feedback from users to help make the app better. Now they're making over $1.2 million per year in revenue. The whole thing started with a 0 upfront investment. They just built a simple app that solved a common problem for for online sellers. This shows you don't need a huge marketing budget or complicated technology to build a successful AI business. Just find a problem lots of people have, build something simple that solves it, and start telling people about it in the places where they already hang out. So, what ideas can you take from this to start something yourself in 2025? Looking at these businesses, you can see they all started by fixing everyday problems. Credit repair business saw that millions of people struggle with credit score errors. The research assistant came from students who were tired of reading through endless paper. And the product photo app started because online sellers couldn't afford professional photography. None of these businesses tried to do everything at once. They each started with one simple service that solved one specific problem. You don't need to be a tech genius or have lots of money to start. The research assistant was built for just $50 to enter a college competition. The photo app was built for free using basic tools anyone can access. And all three companies started by offering a free version to get people trying that product. Then they added paid features once people saw how valuable their service was. And they didn't spend money on fancy marketing either. The photo app grew by just messaging people in Facebook groups and paying small influencers $50 to show how it worked. The research assistant spread through word of mouth in colleges. And the credit repair company grew by helping one customer at a time and letting the results speak for themselves. The key is to find something that annoys people enough that they'll pay to make it easier. And use AI to make that task faster, cheaper, or simpler than the current solution. Start small, get feedback from real users, and grow based on what they tell you they need. That's really all there is to it. Find an annoying task, use AI to make it easier, and charge a monthly fee to solve that problem. If you want to build your own $1 million business, then visit thenewrich.com. Also, if you want to stay up to date with the fastest way to make money from AI, we've got a free Telegram channel, which you can join from the link below. That's it. I'll see you in the next video.